Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add nodes to Davinci Resolve. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Davinci Resolve program right here if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the program where we can get started with adding our media and files that we want to use. So what we can do is either add our videos directly from our folders by dragging and dropping them, or we can just go to the file option right here, click import and start adding our media. So after you have added your videos guys, they're going to appear right here, and we can get started with dragging and dropping them right here into our timeline, as I have already done, to create our timeline and get started with editing the videos. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and select the video that you want to edit. So I'm going to click this video right here, and now we can go into the color tab. So go into the color tab right here at the bottom of the screen, go into the color tab, and now this is going to open up this new color tab where we can get started with managing the colors of our video. And guys, as you'll be able to see here in the upper right corner is going to appear an option that says nodes. So go ahead and click on nodes guys. So now we have opened up nodes guys. As you can see, I have added new nodes, and to be able to add new nodes guys, all you have to do is to click the shortcut called Alt plus S. So click the Alt key and then click the S key, and this is, as you can see, going to add new nodes as I have already done. Or you can just go ahead and right click right here in this area and click the add source or add node option to start adding your nodes right here. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.